So here we've got our unmixed batter for our cattail pollen, which we picked earlier today. You can see it floating on top. Now this is a mixture for corn muffins, and the nice thing about this one is it's really easy to mix because we don't want to over mix it because then it ruins those nice craggly muffin tops. So we're just gonna barely get this combined just so the egg yolks break, and then we're gonna put it into our prepared pan and bake for about 20 minutes. So the muffins are just mixed, and this is a Texas size muffin pan. So they're nice and big, so I actually tripled my recipe. And now they're gonna go in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. They just came out of the oven. They look beautiful, they smell incredible, and I can't wait to taste them.